Victoria here from Mazimu Design. Today I've been playing around with a bow and a paperclip, and you've probably seen heaps of these around at the moment. They're really popular. They're great for planner accessories, and I've just thought what I'd do is show you how I attach the bow to the paperclip. Now I've got jumbo paper clips here. They're 95mm, which is I think about 4 inches, and I've also got these smaller ones here, and I made one up on the smaller one. You can see I've got it on a display card there, which will be included in with the templates, but you can see they're really quite cute. So that's what we'll be making today, and I decided to go big. Right, so let's get started. Now really you just want to assemble your bow as you normally would. Okay, so let's pop the paperclip on. Now you'll see there is the right way and the wrong way to put your paperclip on. You want it to slip over your piece of paper, so make sure you glue the right side to your bow. Okay, so you can see I'm just going to pop some glue in a bit of a semicircle there and glue the clip to the back of the bow. So you want to make sure it's nice and straight. Okay, so you've glued the paperclip to the back. Now I'm going to line it with the backing. Here we go. So we'll put a bit of glue on there. So this is going to just sandwich it in. Okay, start in the center. Right. Excellent, so you can see I've made a small one there, we've got the big one, and we have the display card for this. So I've done 3 because I thought these look great in a set of 3. You could actually reduce this down and put a smaller paper clip on it and just reduce the card down too. That's up to you. I'm going to make a card for this as well, but really that's how easy it is, and how effective is that? What a lovely gift for someone. Alright, thanks for watching. See ya.